Hey everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some quick and easy and really cute little Valentine treat bags. I'm designing these for Country Craft Creations using papers from my design team package. I'm using the 6x6 papers by Authentiques from the Love Notes collection to make my little treat bags. So you want some papers like that, and in that collection you'll also get these little cut aparts, which are just perfect for these little tags like this on the treat bag. You can order this collection from Country Craft Creations online, so check that out. I'm also going to be using some little doilies that you might have on hand. If not, you can pick these up in the cake decorating department at a craft store. So we have the little doilies, and then I'm also going to use some ribbons. So I have an assortment of ribbons in my stash that I'm going to use. I'm going to use some Valentine very thin washi tape that I had in my stash. So I like this. It sticks pretty good, and I like the black and the red and the pink colors and the dot here. So if you have some washi tape, that would be fun to have. Otherwise, you could use strips of paper. Button string. I'm going to use red on some and black on the others, so you want that. And then I also use some flat back pearls. I'm going to use red and I'm going to use white. Of course, some candy that will fit inside. These are really cute. I'm going to show you real quick these two that I've already made, and then I'm going to make one with you on camera. Oh, also, you'll want some stickers. I used the leftover stickers from the 12x12 sticker sheet from the Love Notes by Authentique. So these are all going to be basically made the same. We have the little doily glued on with a sticker in the center, wrapped twine around it, tie on the little tag that we make with the punch. So you're going to need a hole punch that does a bigger hole and the small hole. Tie that in a bow, add the pearl, and we make a tag that goes inside. That's what's unique about this. It's fun little gift when you fill it with candy, but you also have a photo mat tag that can be used in an album or add photos to. And so this is really easy. I'll give you the measurements for this. This is cut out of the 6x6 paper. You punch the hole, thread the ribbon through, and then tie string around that and add a pearl. So basically they're all going to be made the same. And then you can add the washi tape. Like this one has two on the bottom, and this one has one on the top and one on the bottom. So each one, they're all going to be made the same, but look different with different ribbons and different stickers and things like that. So, and like I said, you can add your candies down into the bag like that. And you have a real cute little Valentine gift for your kids, for your kids' classroom, teachers, for your co-workers, your significant other, anyone that you want to give a fun little treat to. You can put in this bag, and they're real quick and easy to make. Take a 6x6 piece of pattern paper and cut this down to make the tag to 3.5 wide by 5.25 tall, so that it will slide in to your glassine bag. Now, it depends on the size of your bag. You might have to adjust that just a little bit, but you want just about 1/2 inch of it sticking out of the top, like that. So it shows through the glassine, but then you can still see a bit of it here at the top. So I'm going to pull this out for now. Then take your angle punch, if you have one. If not, you can cut an angle and then lay it on the other side to match it up. So I'm just going to do an angle punch like this. And then I take my hole punch. I'm going to use the large size. And I'm just going to punch a hole in the middle. I'm just eyeballing it. So there you punched your corners. Punch a hole in the top for your ribbon. I cut me a piece of ribbon here. I'm going to fold it in half. And where the fold is, I'm going to poke it through the hole. Now be very careful when you're pulling ribbon through pattern paper, because it can tear your little tags. So open up that loop and then bring the tails through, and then very carefully I'm going to hold it down here and just lightly tug on that ribbon. So you have to gently pull that from one side to the other. And make sure you're very careful with pulling that. So you want it, you'll have a little knot here at the top, and that's fine. Then once you've done that, go ahead and cut the tails. And I'm doing just the pointed type here today. You can do the dovetails if you want. And so there's that. So this will slide down into the glassine bag, just like that. And so you have the ribbon sticking out and the little bit of the tag. Take one of the little doilies side, and I'm just going to put a little glue here in the center. I'm not even going to try to glue all the lacy bits. So it's going to lay here, like that. Then I take a length of the twine. I just kind of roll it off. I'm not even sure how much. Let's see how much I just did. That's 24. About a yard. And I'm going to start by wrapping. I'm going to leave a length here, and I'm just going to wrap it around. However many times it will go around. So this is the front. You want your length on the left side, sorry. So the tying length right here. And then I wrap it a couple of times. And you don't have to pull it real tight because we're just going to wrap and then tie. So I do want it to kind of lay down. So there we go. A little bit, and I'm going to tie it in a knot. I'm not going to do the bow yet. Just tie it in a knot. And I'm in the center here. And it's okay if it's at an angle. Some of the strings, they don't have to be on top of each other, just however it falls. But tie that knot right there. So let that drop down, and then I kind of adjust it a little bit. So there we got that. So then you pick out your little tag and pick out the one you like. This little bee one. Buzzing by to say hi. I think that one's really cute. So then I take my punch and use the small hole. And on the left top corner, punch a little hole. Tag on. So I just, on the right string, I pull it on. Then I tie another knot, like this. And then I'm going to tie my bow. And just adjust the loops of your bow the way you want it. And then trim off the bottoms strings. Kind of make them even. So there's our buzzing by to say hi. So now we want to decorate it a little bit. And I'm going to use again this sticker from the collection with the 4 hearts. I'm just going to stick it in the middle there, like that. And then I'm going to use another red flat back pearl. I like to put the glue on it, even though they have sticky. Just put a dot of glue on that bow center and grab one of these. Press it on and let that dry. And then if you want to add your little bit of washi tape, this is the black and white. I just think it adds a little bit of contrast and pulls out any black in the little tag. And I kind of pull it extra long. I don't want no seam here on the front, so I line it up straight as I can. Turn it over. Bring this piece around. And bring this one over and overlap it so that they stick to each other. There we go. So that's one. You can stop at one. But I think I'm going to go ahead and put this red metallic one on underneath. I like the red. It really adds some vibrance to it. So I'm going to put this here. Same way. Flip it over. Bring this one around. I may have this one a little long, so I'm going to cut that one off right there. And then bring this piece around and overlap. And that's it. So you're ready to add your treats and just keep making them. Just add the pretties that you have, different strings and ribbons. You can use lace. So that's a lot of fun and quick and easy to put together if you keep your design all pretty much basically the same. Like the idea for this is the glassine bags, the insert, they're all the same size. Adding the doily, so that's the same, and then the wraparound and the ribbon up here like this. Then you can make them look different with your different stickers, tags, and the different placements of your washi tape and the different colors. So this is mine. I'm going to add my little candies to them so they're ready for Valentine's Day. I want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out countrycraftcreations.com for your paper crafting supplies. Again, this is the Love Notes collection by Authentique in the 6x6 paper size. And the little cut-aparts here and the stickers are the 12x12 sheet. So have a great day. Bye-bye.